So for our Lego Man hand, we are going to draw the hand shape here for a start from above and then extrude him up. Then we'll add in this circle, pull him out, add in this circle, pull him out again. So let's get started. So sketch, top down. I'm going to grab my circle tool. I'm going to come out and it is a diameter of 50. Where does 50 come from? Well, this is a radius of 25. But when I draw in Fusion, it uses a diameter. So it's 25 times 2 is 50. And then for my next one, it's a radius of 15, so it's a diameter of 30. Now I just need to go and put these curvy bits in. So I'm going to put them in around here, and then I'm going to cut out the middle part. So to do that, I'm going to go to the arc tool, 3-point arc. I'm just going to click once and click twice. There's one arc. I'm going to try and make it somewhat even for the other one. Something like that. Now it does say over here, slightly off center towards the body, left and right handed mirrored. I don't really mind. If you just draw yours about centered and it looks about right, that will do us for now. So that one is a radius of 5. That one is a radius of 5. And that looks pretty good there. So what I'm going to do then is just finish my sketch. Extrude up, but only extrude that bit. And the height on that is 40 millimeters. So there's the first part of my hand. For my second part, what I need to do is I need to draw on this face and then pull it out, but I can't draw on that face because it's curved and not flat. So to be able to draw, I need a flat surface. Normally we just hit sketch and we click our surface, but because it's not flat, I can't select it. So I'm actually going to put in another plane. So what is a plane? When I click sketch, these orange things that we start with, our X, Y, and Z planes are the planes. So I can actually put one wherever I want. So I'm going to choose an offset plane, which just means a plane a certain distance from somewhere. So I've just clicked, let me do that again. Offset, I'm going to go offsetting this plane here. I'm going to drag him back. Now if I go to my top view here, you can see if I bring him out 25, it's 25 to this outer edge. But I want him to sit inside my hand in here. So that when I draw it, it sits in here, then I extrude from there out. So this section out here touches out here. Otherwise we'll have a gap if we put him out here. We'll have a big gap in here. So just bear with me. So there is my plane sitting there. So now when I go sketch, I can choose that plane and draw on that plane there. And I'm just going to grab a circle. I'm going to draw it at a radius of 30. Where does 30 come from? This distance here is 30. And that's our, sorry, I said radius. That's our diameter. Diameter of 30 for our circle. I'm then going to choose coincident. And I'm going to go, my circle needs to coincident or needs to cross this point here. And it locks it on the bottom. Once that's done, we're going to extrude that circle. We're going to pull him out. How far out though? Well, if I come like this and I come 3, 4, 5 to the edge, plus another 20. So I need to go minus 25. And instead of cutting it, I want to actually change it to join. So it adds on more stuff. So there's my first part. And for my second part, sketch off here, one circle. If I find that circle like that, that's the middle of my other circle. Diameter of 10 from my drawing. Then we're going to extrude him. How far? It's 20 millimeters. And there is my hand done. The only other thing I need to do is change the appearance. So I can right click and go appearance. And I've gone into paint in here, paint, glossy. I'm just going to grab that yellow one, drop him in, and there is our hand done. Don't forget to save him, Lego Man hand, all sorted.